Hey everybody, JP Hunt with GraphicsFlow here, and in this video I'm going to present the two latest innovations that have been added to GraphicsFlow. First and foremost, we've added the ability to now upload a folder directly to the My Art workspace. Now of course, My Art is a useful area to upload, organize, and manage all of your graphics. Now these are the graphics that you're creating on behalf of customers, or these are the graphics that your clients are sending you, like their corporate logos, their existing identity. This is one workspace where you can manage all content. Now, we've always provided the ability to create folders and subfolders to manage and organize content, but now we are providing the ability to upload a folder directly. So this is a handy way to sort of organize and manage, graphics offline, maybe on your desktop, and then upload that folder that might be complex or simple once you're done. But it's also a very simple way to take customer supplied files. So let's use the example, maybe your client emails you a zip file, and that folder contains a bunch of subfolders where they've managed and organized all of their, say, corporate identity and official assets. So I could take that folder and upload it directly to GraphicsFlow. So without further ado, let me show you how to take advantage of this new feature. Now, as always, you can drag and drop files, including folders, onto the My Art workspace to upload. Now, the other ability to introduce new files into the My Art workspace is simply to click the plus new icon at the very right of your workspace where you can upload individual files. Now you'll see the option to upload a folder. So if I make that selection, I can browse my desktop here and select a folder, and you can see this folder contains a PDF. It contains a subfolder with a bunch of additional subfolders that organize files by type. So I'm going to go ahead and select that parent folder, click Upload, and of course GraphicsFlow is going to begin to process that particular folder. And in this case, you can see that there are 31 different files, and you can see it took a matter of seconds to upload all of that content. So what I can do now is go ahead and dismiss this particular success message, and now I can see that folder in the My Art workspace. So if I click on that, I can see that there was a PDF. There was a folder that contained logo files, and you can see when I make that selection, I can see all the additional subfolders. So again, this is a simple way to upload, whether it be a simple folder structure or a really complex folder structure with a ton of files from your computer directly into the GraphicsFlow My Art workspace. Now, the next new feature has to do with the Art Approvals workspace in GraphicsFlow. So let me give you an example here. Here I have a simple example of an art approval. And what we've done is we've introduced the ability for your clients to add notes or a message when approving or rejecting an art approval or a graphics presentation. So this is a great way to collect extra insights and better communicate with your clients. And here's how that works. So here we have a graphic that we're presenting. If a client were to click approve, here they have an optional ability to add notes or special instructions, any kind of messaging about this particular file. So they can type in their message and they can click approve. And of course, GraphicsFlow is going to provide that communication to you. Now, if they click reject, they'll get the same dialogue. Here they have the optional ability to add a note or reason to give you more context and insights. So the goal with this, enhancement and new feature is really the ability to communicate better and more efficiently with customers, spare back and forth communication, just trap insights that are going to help you make modifications to a file to sort of represent to the client to get approval. And of course, the faster you get approval, the faster you can move along the sales process. Now, this has just been a summary overview of the two latest new features in GraphicsFlow, the ability to upload folders directly to My Art, and the ability to allow your clients to add notes and messages when approving or rejecting art approvals. And please keep your feedback coming. It's your feedback that we're using to continuously improve and enhance GraphicsFlow.